Chromio is a web app that allows you to turn any idea into a Chrome extension. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here and I'm going to say create a extension that allows the user to set focus timers for periods of time that they want to dedicate to a particular task. Keep everything simple, easy to use, clean UI, and make sure it's, of course, nice and modular. Cool, let's go with that. And you can also upload some images of UI if you wish to do so. I'm going to go with that and see what we get. So it's saying it started generating and this may take up to a minute. Okay, great. And now we've got the extension generated. Cool. So here's the preview. As you can see, you can set the specific number of minutes or you can just click on these buttons as well. I'm going to set 25 minutes and click set and then start. Okay, so it seems as if nothing's actually working on the back end, but maybe that's because this is just a preview. If I click start, the start and reset buttons don't seem to be working. We've got a few file extensions here, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to download the zip and see if it works once I import it as an extension.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Okay, cool. So I've now followed the instructions and I've actually installed it here on Brave, which is also another Chromium browser. So here are the instructions. And once I did that, it actually appeared and it actually worked. So now I've got the extension pinned up here. And once I click it, there's going to be this pop-up that opens up. I can say what I'm focusing on. Let's say recording videos for YouTube. And then I can click start and it actually does start, which is quite useful. Oh, actually it's not starting now. Wait one sec. If I click reset, start. Okay, so now it's working. I may need to, maybe the error is that whenever I type something in here, it doesn't actually work. But in any case, this is a great first draft and it's something I could always improve on as time goes on. So definitely check this out. It definitely can work if you know how to prompt it correctly. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.